I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be doing a tutorial on this look here. This is the look that I was wearing in yesterday's video, and a lot of you guys wanted to see a tutorial on this look here. This look is inspired by the whole Kim K blue trendy eye that's going around. A lot of people have been doing this look with her palette that she came out with Makeup by Mario. I do not have that palette. I recreated this look using JUVIA'S Masquerade palette, but I think it came out pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. And I think that is about it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look here, then just keep watching. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so I've already done my brows. I'm going to prime my eyes and just use this as my eyeshadow primer, the Little Mercier concealer. I will be using this JUVIA'S Masquerade palette for the entire eye look. So this is the palette that I use. I didn't use the KKW palette, but I did use JUVIA'S. So if you have this one, you definitely can recreate this look. This brown shade here, that's going to be my transition color. I wanted to do one that was really close to my skin tone instead of a reddish one like I always do. I wanted to do one that was really close to my skin tone, and I'm making sure I'm blending this in very well. I did use this blue and this blue because it wasn't the color that I wanted it to be. So I went in with this darker blue first, which is in the shade Chi or Chai, however you say that. And I just kind of used that as the base. And I didn't wet it or anything like that. I just went right into the shadow. I don't think those last couple of shots were in focus. I hope they were, but if not, we should be in focus now. Sorry about that guys. I really need to get me an autofocus camera. I think that's gonna be like the next thing that I do, is get a camera, because this camera is on its last limbs, like the last limbs. And with this blue shade here to go on top of it, that one is in Delilah. I'm going to go in and blend it with the empty brush. This is the same brush that I used yesterday, so that's why it has the blue on it. But I'm just going to go in and blend out any harsh lines and just kind of blend it into the skin. And you don't want to get too crazy with this, because if you blend it in too much, it's going to take away the look of it, and it's going to look more smoky than, you know, what we are actually going for. So you want to be careful with that. I went in with this like cream shade here and just applied that to my brow bone. Okay, for my wing liner on yesterday, I used this RIMMEL Waterproof Scandal Eyes, and it came out okay. I'm gonna do it again just because I used it yesterday, but I don't think I like this, guys. I liked it the first time I used it, but I don't think I like it. I had to do too much yesterday with the wing, and I'm probably gonna have to do that again today. Like, it's easier ones out there, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and then we're gonna come back and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna speed through me doing the makeup. I'm gonna show you guys the products and leave everything in the description box below. Now that we have our face done, I'm going to go back in with these two blue shades. Again, I'm going to go back in with this one first, and then just a lighter blue here, and apply them to my lower lash line. Milani Shadow Eyes 12 Hour Wear Eyeshadow, but I use this as an eyeliner because it's really black. So I'm just gonna apply this to my waterline. And I just took this brush here just to kind of blend everything together and just smoke it out. I wore Jasmine Brown lashes in Curly Queen, and I'm going to pop those back on today. And I also applied the Maybelline Total Temptation and the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascaras to my lashes as well. And of course I primed them beforehand. So again, I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera because you guys know I got to get all up in the mirror to do this. I went in with MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner for my lips. Then I'm going to go in with ATOLE from COLOURPOP. I'm going to spray with some MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And I think that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.